Okay, my dear students, today I would like to discuss a very simple and shortcut method. You will feel wonderful by listening to this, and this is really amazing to explain. So let us go ahead now. The ratio of wavelengths of Lyman series as well as Balmer series. Okay, so what is the relation between ratio of wavelength as well as what is called as wavelength as well as the transitions? Okay, so we can call it as principal quantum number, whatever it may be. So anyhow, what is the relation? Let us discuss it. How can you solve this problem? So you all know that if you consider wavelength is directly proportional to n square, that is more than enough. This relation will save a lot of your time, and I'm giving guarantee for that. So here lambda for, first of all, it is given as Balmer divided by lambda for Lyman series is equal to n for Balmer, n for Lyman whole square. And this can also be written as, you all know that Balmer is considered as second. Okay, so second, for which as a principal quantum number is going to be 2, and this is Lyman is taken as first, where n equal to 1 here. Then this is going to be whole square, and this can also be written as 4 by 1. Okay, so therefore lambda Balmer by lambda Lyman is considered to be 4:1 or 4 by 1. Thank you very much. Have a nice